Hey everybody, it was a great day today. I went out to the orchard to go and harvest some cuttings from my apple trees. And I'm going to use those cuttings to graft new trees in the spring. The branches should be about pencil thick. They should be from a healthy branch, and you cut them off and take them home. But then what do you do with your cuttings? How do you keep them safe until the spring and until it's time to graft with them? That's what I'm going to talk about in this little video. So this is a bunch of cuttings from my Freedom apple tree. I want to seal the cut-ins of the branches, and an easy way to do that is to buy an inexpensive candle warming lamp. This is a little lamp that you put your wax candle in, you turn on the light, and the light will melt the wax. Then you take your cut end of your Scion wood and you dip it into the hot wax. And what this does is it prevents those cuttings from drying out. Once I have worked through all those cuttings and they've all been dipped in wax, and I make sure the cut ends of the bundle are lined up together. I put some tape on the bundle and I label it with the cultivar. So I wrap up the bundle in newspaper and you fold over the top and bottom. But here's the important part. You need to make sure that there is some moisture that will help to keep those cuttings alive until you are ready to graft with them. So I take the bundle and I dip it both ends, the top and bottom, in my bowl of water, just really briefly, enough to make them a little bit damp. So you seal that up and you need to put it into cold storage of some sort. Luckily for me, I have a basement fridge with nothing in it. And what's important, you can have things in your fridge, but you want to make sure you don't have fresh fruit and vegetables in there. If you want to learn more about grafting, you can check out this playlist. And I have a course on grafting. It's called Complete Fruit Tree Grafting and Budding, and you will find that on learn.orchardpeople.com. Anyways, hope that helps. See you next time. Bye for now.